Hello, YouTube. My hair's a bit messed up. But anyway, just got home and I saw this. I'm pretty sure this is my QJ Speed Stacks timer. So let's go ahead and open it. I've got my trusty penknife. Oh, whoops! I just smacked my computer. There you go. It's a box in the box. Boxception. Well, anyway, we have wrapping within the box in the box. Wow, this feels nice. I've never used a Speed Stacks timer before, so kind of, well, no, I've never owned one of my own, so let's go check this thing out. Oh, there aren't any batteries in it. Oh, or maybe I just had to pull that out. Here we go. Okay, so 0, 0, 0. Let's scramble this randomly. Okay. Okay, so I can see that it works. Wasn't a bad time. Whew, this is gonna be fun. Alright, catch y'all later.